The time of silence in the dark is over. The Earth is ready to give back. Welcome to the Great Excavation, a high-speed race against time, where precision engineering meets the raw power of the land. Massive mechanical giants separate the soil from the prize, unearthing the world's most resilient food source with incredible efficiency. Thousands of tons collected in mere hours. It is the breathtaking climax of months of patience and hard labor. The underground hero has emerged. Now, the transformation begins. Subscribe to AgriNewsa for Part 3.